Welcome to our excursion into the mind's expanse. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the potential that resides within our brain's intricate network. Every thought, memory, and surge of creativity sparks in the neural web that forms our brain. It's the master panel for our identity and actions, and with the right techniques, we can enhance its function. Let's begin by diving into the essence of amplifying brain power, discovering why settling for average is unnecessary when we can ascend to exceptional cognitive levels. Join us as we present 5 expert-recommended strategies to elevate your mental prowess, including nutrition, mental exercises, lifelong learning, physical activity, and stress management. Unlock the secrets to a healthier, more agile mind as we advance through each strategy. Prepare for a transformative experience. This is only the opening chapter of your cognitive revolution. Imagine your brain as an advanced engine that requires premium fuel. Enter Strategy 1, a brain-boosting diet. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish like salmon construct sturdy brain cell frameworks. Antioxidants in colorful fruits and vegetables prevent cognitive decline, while vitamins E and K, as well as B vitamins and choline from nuts, whole grains, and eggs are essential for mental acuity. These aren't just groceries, they're the foundation for a keen, resilient mind, leading to enhanced focus and a mood uplift. Consider how your food choices influence your brain's efficiency. As we proceed, imbibe the knowledge that every nutritional decision you make is a tune in your neural symphony. Ready for further elevation? Our next segment delves into the realm of mental fitness, where active nourishment meets cerebral challenge. Having bolstered our brain with the right nutrients, it's time to exercise our mental faculties. Strategy 2 is mental fitness. Our brains, like muscles, crave novelty and challenge to remain in prime condition. Partake in brain training that refines your analytical abilities and bolsters decision-making. Crossword puzzles, Sudoku, and strategy games are not mere diversions, they're the weights of your mental gym. Every solved puzzle and played game is not just a win, it's a fortification of mental resilience. Keep your brain pathways well-tuned and primed for life's evolving complexities. Embrace these cerebral workouts to cultivate swift, nimble thinking. As we venture the next plateau, lifelong learning awaits. Stretch your mind's boundaries through insatiable curiosity and knowledge acquisition. Our cognitive odyssey now leads us to Strategy 3, lifelong learning. Embrace the motto of never stop learning and fuel your brain with a constant stream of new skills and knowledge. Every novel experience crafts pathways in our dynamic neural landscape, fostering mental vitality. The plethora of modern resources, from online platforms to seminars, makes continuous learning accessible to all. As you immerse in this infinite pool of knowledge, you're not merely gathering information, but nurturing a responsive, evolving intellect. Challenge yourself with a new language, musical instrument, or intricate subject. Keep your mind active and alive. Coming next, physical exercise. See how syncing body movements with cognitive efforts propels your mental capabilities to new echelons. Let's now synergize body and mind through Strategy 4, physical exercise. Energize your cognitive health with rhythmic physical activity. Aerobic exercises such as running and swimming accelerate blood flow and invigorate your thought processes, while strength training combats neural aging. Mindful practices like yoga sharpen concentration and alleviate stress, with each leap and sprint towards a more incisive intellect. Engage in this dynamic ritual to revitalize both mind and body. As we chart the course ahead, recognize that maintaining cognitive acuity involves more than contemplation. It's an active pursuit. Next, we shall reveal how mastering stress management can elevate your mental well-being and brain efficiency. To culminate, let's explore the art of composure with Strategy 5, stress management. A serene mind is fertile ground for cognitive excellence. Mitigating stress is imperative for clarity and mental function, as chronic stress inhibits memory and learning. Adopt techniques of mindfulness and deep breathing and perceive challenges as opportunities to enhance resilience. With every calming breath, invite tranquility into your life, fortifying your brain against life's tumult. As we proceed, embrace the power of rest and mental clarity in fostering an alert and capable mind. Reflect on the journey we've completed through the mind's unclaimed realms. 5 potent strategies serve as your beacons for reaching cognitive summits. a nutritious diet for neural vigor, mental workouts for intellectual resilience, continuous learning for abounding intellect, physical vigor for neural vitality, and stress management for mental clarity. Now, I empower you to weave these practices into your daily life, unlocking a sharper, more agile mind. Embrace this moment. It is your springboard to boundless cognitive potential. Empower your mind and watch the transformation unfold.